ADHD, like
it's okay in English.
Yeah, in English. ADHD in full, the attention deficit hyperactive disorder. Itumaga mundu akorwo na attention span yake ni nini muno na ni akoragwo na a lot of energy.
Wikira thini wa performa gota ciana iria ingi.
Da performa gata ciana icio ingi no ndatindaga ngirwo ndina potential nyingi. Ndatindaga ngirwo I'm very smart. No performance yakwa yari
yathiaga ethi frustration.
No ndwike namba ĩmwe igĩrĩ, the next exam ndi wa mwiso wikara kwandika exam kwanza, kwandika exam hau niho okaga thina. So ndarikana ndi high school ndathomire ndugamite. I struggled so much kwanza subjects na niguo ciari nyingi.
Kemu ni wathomaga moles ethane
segeraga sikiura dakramaga hĩndĩ ya exam. By the time ndirekera the last full stop atire kindu ndiraririkana.
Warikia ukirabu ciothe weciri cingira cigathie
uguo. No ndanywa njohi ndahotaga gucokereria meciria. Koguo ngikora riu ona ngithie kirathi no makanywe asufa niguo hote gucokereria
ikara we bere
niguo hote ku concentrate. Rakunda nginya andu ange makamaka aria makundite mbere yaku. Ndatwikite depressed na ndiakomaga. Ndagire kindu gitagwo insomnia. Area intense nginya gwiciria ndiakomire like 6 months. Koguo riu ngikinya handu ndiranywa niguo blackout hote gukoma. Dr. Frank okire akijira hena dawa ndrenda ugerie ujire uria ukuigwa.
Nitukwagira tutawa.
Tigo uguo mama agorire jikarite chini ya muti. Daroga to leaves tukigwa. Kimwira mam. Oh niguo mwiciragia.
Oh, for the first time you are normally.
I'm thinking one thought at a time. I'm actually able to look at that leaf fall from the tree to the ground. I control myself through meditation. Jikaga meditation.
Like now we have a very good conversation with you.
Yes. No nyodo ngukirite ga meditate bothe kaiga no mwaka njokere.
Oh interview no nigetha tumike interview no nigetha tumike no nginya tungira kwirire mbere.
Todo ona before buke wiguire githaka ka music ka meditation kabake karathikes ka calm my thoughts down. Hii nikikuwa kwa gari utapata mara nimekaa hivi, mara nimenil kwa kitu. Unaona vile watoto wana nil ate makarora gari na thutha jaga gitikiria kia thutha niguo hote kunil doreja.
Nithira atiriri mundura wikaritie nake gukua atia.
Most of the time they are forced to move to the other chair kama kujaja.
Iga digikara muguruki.